Drive chain maintenance awareness for customers. Drive chain. Drive chain is an essential part of a vehicle which transmits power from drive sprocket to driven sprocket. With the use of the vehicle, there is wear and tear of sprocket and expansion of links, and it elongates and becomes loose. Due to the wear and tear of the chain in rainy and dusty areas, life of a chain is affected. So, slackness needs to be adjusted and proper cleaning and lubrication is required. The condition or slackness of drive chain can be checked by removing this inspection cap. With the help of this method, you can check excessive slackness in drive chain. Due to the ignorance in maintenance, you will experience chain noise if there will be excessive slackness, problem in acceleration and gear shifting, as well as vehicle become jerky. Now let us see how maintenance and cleaning lubrication of chain is done. Always contact Honda authorized dealer for proper maintenance and genuine part. Maintenance of drive chain is done by Honda trained technician. They will clean it and lubricate so that the life of your chain is increased. They will also check slackness of chain, and if there will be some variation, they will fix it. Remember, always do pre-ride inspection before riding. Inspection is to be done after every 1000 kilometers. If vehicle is used in dusty and rainy area, more frequent maintenance is required. Don't ignore your maintenance schedule. Use only Honda genuine parts. Now we'll learn what are the benefits of drive chain maintenance. No drive chain noise, better fuel mileage, smooth ride and long life of drive chain.